ओके मेरे लैशेस में मेरा बाल चिपक गया था। और क्वेश्चन क्या है भाई? I'm not even missing a single chance to promote my channel. I'm so dumb. Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and I make beauty related videos. So if that is something which you like watching, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to be filming a little different video. Actually मैंने मतलब सोचा नहीं था कि जल्दी मैं ऐसे कुछ वीडियो बनाऊंगी, like chill talk video. So today I'm gonna be a get to know me tag plus a Q&A video. So what happened is I just posted an Instagram post and someone commented that I should do a Q&A, and I just was like maybe I won't get enough questions, but मैंने बस एक स्टोरी डाली और इतने सारे क्वेश्चन आ गए, मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था वो. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing and answering all of your questions in today's video. So let's just get started with today's video. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first question is from a girl. Her name is PM, and I'll put the screenshot of that question यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे. So she asked me, what inspired you to recreate makeup looks? Now to be honest, what happened is कि I used to love makeup ever since I was a little child. मतलब मुझे nail paint करना अपना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. मतलब nail paint was a nice thing, मुझे बहुत पसंद आता था, वो बहुत attractive लगता था मुझे. फिर nail paint से लिपस्टिक पे चला गया, लिपस्टिक पे से लाइनर पे चला गया, लाइनर से बड़े बड़े होते होते सब कुछ अच्छा लगने लगा. तो फिर करते करते I used to enjoy it. और फिर मैं जब स्कूल में थी ना, तो मेरा कैसे रहता था कि I used to enjoy art. I used to enjoy sketching, painting and all of that. तो मैंने दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया, मेकअप और आर्ट को, और फिर मेरा बन गया फेस आर्ट एंड ऑल. So I used to enjoy that. Like पोस्ट करने लगी मैं जब इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो I used to get a lot of compliments, a lot of comments and all. So मुझे मजा आती थी उसमें. तो ऐसे करते I think after my 10th मैंने चालू किया था सब करना. तो ऐसे करते मुझे मजा आने लगा. Okay. So the next question is native. My native is, I belong to UP, Allahabad. So yeah. So the next question is, who is your crush in Bollywood? It has to be Ranveer Singh. I just love his personality. So yeah. So the next question is asked by Jyoti. She said you should talk about your family maybe. So मेरे family में total 5 members है. There is my dad, there is my mom, then मेरी बहन है, then मैं हूँ, then मेरा छोटा भाई है. छोटा भाई अभी स्कूल में है, मैं कॉलेज में हूँ. मेरी बहन is a entertainment reporter, my dad is a teacher, and my mom is a housewife. So yeah, that's about it. The next question is, how many percentage you got in 10th and in which school? So to be honest, मैंने I guess 3 स्कूल बदल दिए अभी तक. और 10th में मुझे कम परसेंटेज मिले थे क्योंकि मेरे को एंजाइटी हो गया था उस वक्त, and I was like admitted to the hospital before my exams, SSC exams. I was almost about to drop 1 year, but I was like, no, I will just give my exams. जैसा भी होगा देखा जाएगा. So I used to have very bad anxiety at that point of time. और तभी मेरा तबीयत का बहुत इशू होता था, and इस वजह से I was about to drop, but वो बच गया कैसे. तो अभी मैंने एग्जाम दे दिया and I got somewhere in between 70% to 80%. So yeah. The next question is your skincare routine. Now to be honest, मेरा morning skincare routine नहीं हो पाता क्योंकि मैं सुबह बहुत ज़्यादा early उठती हूँ for my college and all. क्योंकि जब college रहता था तो मुझे I guess 5 या 6 AM उठना पड़ता था सुबह. तो morning skincare routine was not a thing for me. But मैं night skincare routine में सिर्फ एक night cream use करती हूँ to be honest, and a nice under eye cream. That is what I do. And week wise I do mask and all. So this is what I do. I will surely make a separate video for like skincare routine के ऊपर मेरे. So you can subscribe me until then so that you get notified for that video. Next question is, do you have a boyfriend? I don't have any friends in my life because I'm in a girls college, और then स्कूल में मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा कोई interaction नहीं होता था मेरा. I was a very introvert kid, so I don't have a lot of friends in my life. Okay, so there is this girl, her handle is Portia from Belmont. She is the one who gave me idea for the Q&A, and she's writing me a thank you for taking my idea into consideration. You're welcome. You are just so amazing. मतलब you really helped me to be motivated and feel positive, and send me messages and all related to what she's liking, what she's not liking. I love such people who are genuine and who are true to what they like and what they don't like. She's just so kind. That is all I'll say. So she asked me, from where you started your makeup? I mean, what inspired you to do so? So I already told you guys कि मुझे art पसंद था, and then makeup भी मुझे पहले से ही अच्छा लगता था करना. So I used to read a lot of articles and a lot of things on Google. तो वैसे करते consume करते knowledge मजा आने लगा. Try करते अच्छी जब होते थे looks मेरे, तो I used to get more inspired to create more. So that is how I got inspired to create makeup looks. Okay, so the next question is, do you like Yunu? Now, to be honest, I think she's nice. She's just so fun person to watch, and I sort of enjoy her vibe. So yeah, I kind of like her. I do follow her. I like her content and everything. She has been recently beauty community and doing really great. So I love her. I like that girl. This question is by Soumya. She asked me, are you happy with your life currently? Now, to be honest, quarantine has taught me to be grateful. So I'm kind of happy because इतना सारा जो आप news सुनते हो ना, तो it was like जब मैं news देखती हूँ तो it feels like I should be so grateful for छोटी सी चीज़ that I have. ठीक है, कुछ चीज़ें बुरी होती है, but you take your steps, you have to go through it any which way. So why not to be positive and go through it, right? So I'm happy with my life currently, and yeah. Okay, so the next question is by Akia. She asked me, who inspired you to start a YouTube channel? Now, to be honest, क्या होता था कि मैं Instagram पे बहुत टाइम से 1 minute makeup videos बना रही थी, and I got a lot of nice reviews on that. ठीक है, तो it was like कि मेरे पास 1 minute का limitation होता था कि मुझे 1 minute में ही पूरा look दिखाना है. और I used to enjoy creating videos on for my Instagram. मजा आती थी मुझे बस Instagram पे वीडियो डालने के लिए. तो मेरे पास ये 1 minute का limitation चीज़ हटाने के लिए I came on YouTube. I felt like I have so much to share that I can. तो वो 1 minute में possible नहीं था, इसलिए I made a YouTube channel and here I am today. Okay, so the next question I have is, do you know Ishika Thakur? Now I wasn't knowing her, but जब ये मेरे को आया question tag, तो I was like, let's search for her. So when मैंने search किया जब, तो तभी मुझे समझ में आया कि हाँ I have seen this girl on my explore page. So she is amazing. She is doing so nice. Her self portraits are really cool. So yeah, I kind of like her. So the next question that we have is, use of different color correctors means which color corrector we use for what. I will surely make a separate video क्योंकि उसका एक पूरा है, there is a thing behind it. पूरा reason है उसके पीछे, तो it will be a long thing to explain in this video. So I'll make sure that I make a separate video on that. Also मैंने अभी जो recently upload किया है base makeup do's and don'ts वाला video, you can check in that as well. मैंने उसमें थोड़ा चीज़ उसका explain किया है, but I will surely make a separate video for color corrector, everything related to color correctors. So wait for that. Okay, so the next question that I have is, how in less time you are doing so amazing looks. Now, a lot of people say कि इतने थोड़े time में how you're doing good makeup and all, but to be honest, I have practiced so much. If you really want to learn makeup, you can actually watch tutorials and actually try it and learn it by yourself. Practice is the key to makeup. मेरे को ये चीज़ समझ में आया कि आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते हो अपना मेकअप स्किल्स, उतना ज़्यादा वो बेटर होता जाता है. तो इट्स बिन अ ईयर आई गेस कि मैं ऑलमोस्ट डेली मेकअप प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ. सो इट्स नॉट easy. It was not easy for me, but ठीक है, I am enjoying it. I love makeup. So yeah. So the next question is, cleaning makeup brushes and organizing makeup products. I guess she gave me a video topic. I'll surely do a video on that. Okay, so the next question is, what is the biggest regret in your life? Now, to be honest, मेरे को regret होता है कि मैं अपनी early teenage में I used to have this thing, like मैं 10th में थी जब basically, तब I used to have this thing कि मेरे friends हैं तो वो मेरे होंगे, अब वो नहीं होंगे तो मेरा क्या होगा. I used to have all of this feeling inside my head, और I used to get very very bothered with what people think of me. तो like judgmental people से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था. तो that is one thing I regret in my life. अगर वो मैं नहीं करती तो मैं उस टाइम पे बहुत enjoy किया होता. तो क्या मुझे वही एक चीज़ का regret है, और तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने ऐसे कुछ किया है कि मुझे regret हो. तो yeah. Okay, so the next question that we have is from Sonam, and she asked me, where are you from? I am from Mumbai, and yeah, exactly तो नहीं बता सकती, but ठीक है, I'm from Mumbai. Okay, so the next question is, please look into your camera while you are speaking. I mean, it seems like you are looking diagonally. P.S. It's just to advise, not a hitter. जब मैं शूट कर रही होती हूँ मेरा खुद के मोबाइल में आई शूट, सो क्या हो जाता है कि आई लुक इनटू लाइक मैं अपने खुद को ही देखती रहती हूँ while filming. तो मे बी इस वजह से, बट आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू फिल्मिंग ना, सो दैट्स व्हाई ऐसा हो जाता है मेरे साथ. सो अवॉइड दैट फॉर नाउ. मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि मैं उसको बेटर कर दूँ. Bear with me थोड़ा टाइम के लिए. I'm still learning things, so yeah. So, next question is, what's your age? And I'm your big fan. I don't make fans, I make friends instead. Okay, so my age is 18. I am just 18 years old. Okay, so next question is by Moonlight. She asked me, who is your best friend? No best friends, nothing. I have only friends in my life. I have classmates and my friends and everything. सही है मेरे साथ कुछ, मतलब I consider my sister as my best friend because I am very close to her. I can share anything and everything with her. So yeah, she's my best friend maybe. The next question is, what face paint you use? I'm gonna be surely making a video on that, guys, because all of this is like, it depends on preferences, it depends upon choices and everything, and I don't wanna ruin your suspense for like watching that video when I'll be posting it. So I'll post a separate video on my face paints and everything related to that. So subscribe to my channel for that. Okay, so the next question is, when will you do a live on Instagram? Now I did one, मतलब मैंने एक live makeup session किया था with my friend. So वो अच्छा लगा था मुझे करके, but like if you guys are interested in watching that, DM me on my Instagram. I'll link my Instagram in the description box and I'll surely do one. I don't mind doing one live. Okay, so the next question is, which college and standard? Now I'm doing my first year in mass media and I am from SMBT University, Mumbai. So yeah. Okay, so the next question is, what is your quarantine routine? Now to be honest, I don't have one. मतलब मेरा रूटीन इतना खराब है कि मैं कभी भी सोती हूँ, कभी भी उठ जाती हूँ, कभी भी फिल्म करती हूँ. मतलब फिल्म तो मैं 3 बजे ही करती हूँ, 3 बजे के बाद ही करती हूँ, बट मेरा रूटीन खराब है फिलहाल. So don't ask me for that, but we'll go to next question. What is your favorite game? Game as in I don't play any, I'm not good at sport or anything, neither do I play any online games, so I don't know. Okay, so the next question is, what are you phobic to? I'm phobic to a lot of things. I am phobic to losing people in my life, I'm phobic to death, I'm phobic to be left alone, I'm phobic to be not be successful in life. I think a lot, like I overthink so much. It's a bad habit. Even heights, even water, anything and everything can give me anxiety if that is dangerous to a human life. Okay. मेरे lashes में मेरा बाल चिपक गया था. Okay. So the next question is, love or friendship? I'm not sure about friendship. Okay, so to be honest, I personally feel your love can be your friend and your friend can be your love, so you never know. बड़ा फालतू लॉजिक था ये वैसे. नहीं लॉजिक. Next question is, who is your role model? Role model, I don't know, but I have some people who really inspire me, like James Charles and Victorious. These are like 2 people who really inspire me for all the makeup stuff that I post. So yeah, maybe them. Okay, so the next question is by Jyoti. She asked me what you do in a day. Like, what all you do in a day. So to be honest, मतलब मेरा कोई routine ही नहीं है quarantine में तो. So what I do is कि I wake up very late और उसके बाद I have my food. मतलब obviously get dressed up and everything, get myself clean and all, and then I have my food and then I film a video by 3 and उसके बाद I edit in the evening and then the next day is when I upload it और उसके बाद I just sleep. यही है मेरा रूटीन. मतलब I keep on filming, editing, sleeping, यही करती हूँ मैं आजकल क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारा free time है. So I thought why not to be productive, why not to utilize the time in something which I enjoy to do. So yeah. The first question for Get to Know Me tag is what your name is. So my name is Sonal Yadav, as my channel ka name is, it's the same. So the next question we have here is who is your celebrity crush? Now my celebrity crush is Ranveer Singh. I just love his personality. Okay, so the next question is what you do in your free time. Free time I watch Netflix, I watch YouTube, I edit, I do my makeup, play review. Okay, so the next question that we have in here is what is your height? My height is 5'4". Okay, so the next question we have here is what is the year you was born and where was you born? So I was born in Navi Mumbai Vashi and I was born in the year 2001. So the next question that we have in the Get to Know Me Tag Money question set is funniest moment throughout your high school. So I have this really funny story of me being very notorious kid. So क्या हुआ था कि मतलब 10th में था ये कि ना we used to have our mobiles. मतलब मैं लेके जाती थी मोबाइल स्कूल में. तो I didn't bought one but मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो थे उनको मुझे बुलाना था और उन्होंने बुलाया था उसमें से एक फ्रेंड ने और किसी वजह से तो किसी ने तो शायद चुप्पी कर दिया था कि कुछ हुआ था. तो हमारे जो पीटी सर थे उनको पता चल गया था कि किसी के पास मोबाइल है तो अचानक से चेकिंग चालू हो गई. तो व्हाट वी डिड इज कि मतलब लड़कों ने भी कुछ लाया था हमारे क्लास में और लड़कियों ने भी कुछ लाया था. तो सारी लड़कियों ने एक्चुअली क्या किया कि दे रैप्ड इट इन a newspaper and no one checked it thinking of it being a sanitary pad and सारे लड़के फंस गए सारी लड़की बच गई. So it is that like fun story. So the next question we have is tea or coffee? Obviously coffee. Dogs or cat? Obviously dogs. Like I love dogs. I really want to have one but my mummy will get me out if I get one in my house. So the next question is what are your hobbies? My hobbies, I love painting and sketching and doing any sort of DIY project sort of thing. I love creating things basically. So मतलब मैंने अपना रूम भी पूरा खुद ही रिकॉर्ड किया था. Enjoy calligraphy and all. I just love because वो ना पूरा attention लेता है. I love doing mandala arts as well. So I enjoy that things and apart from that makeup obviously, face art obviously. So yeah, I am enjoying it. And yeah guys, that is basically it for the video. I hope you all were able to be relatable to me and I hope you all will have a better understanding of what type of person I am now. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and I'll be back with more videos. Bye!